Hi, Paul Dahmen here. Welcome to my practical toolbox. Today I give a quick tip, and the term is note expression. Okay, very simple. You need a synthesizer. I use often Steinberg, Rigologue or Arturia Minimoog. But today we use Rigologue, and I load a huge pad here. Okay, I play a little bit so you can listen the sound. Oh, yeah, okay. I will play now a small melody, and then I can demonstration that. Okay. Okay. The first one I use not the standard click from Cubase. Also, I play drum kit, so and I need the kick and the snare for the rhythmic. Okay, this is the point why you listen on my microphone, metronome, kick and snare, or kick, snare, snare. I don't know why I'm do that, but okay. So the first one is we open the MIDI editor. So I will check I'm in the right place. Yes, but we make a very easy quantization. Sorry. That's enough. Alright. So the top we make a little bit louder. Okay. So quick tip. Normally you modulation then the bottom and the bottom. So you use your pencil and then you can, or you play itself. Yes. So this is for the full range here. Metronome I make no off, so nobody will listen that. Behind. Okay. One more time. but we can do it a little bit better. And now come the quick tip. So you open the note expression, and then you see here on the side the function. So festival, you start first with adding the note. Okay, we use then this note. Maybe one more time. Here we are. Okay, then you add your pencil tool in the case. Wow. Now we can use this one here. Yes. That's funny. Yeah, come on, one more. Okay, here no, maybe, yeah. Okay, that's enough. So, now we have modulation, the notes, and now we listen. Okay, this is the quick tip. So with this feature you can make very crazy out of space sounds, and yeah, thank you for watching, enjoy and happy practical. Bye.